normed space itself, and we will show that every normed space is indeed a metric space. So I'll put it in this way. Example number 3 it is going to be, and this is a crucial example. So we will let E with this norm be a normed space. Normed space. Then E is a metric space with following metric. अब ये मीट्रिक इस तरह से डिफाइन करेंगे हम ई के अंदर. ये अब स्लैश ये सब स्क्रिप्ट में ई लिख रहा हूँ, इसका मतलब है ये ई के ऊपर डिफाइंड है. कोई भी दो एलिमेंट एफ और जी ई से उठाएं तो आप क्या करेंगे, एफ माइनस जी का नॉर्म लें ई के अंदर से फॉर ऑल एफ जी फ्रॉम ई. सो नाउ यू कैन शो इजीली दैट दिस डी इज indeed a metric. So number one property is the definiteness. So definiteness can be proved by saying that, let us say that distance between f and g is 0, and this implies that norm of f minus g and e is 0. Now we have seen from the properties of normed spaces, if norm of a vector is 0, then the vector is 0. So this implies that f and g are same. Now if you are taking f and g same, then f minus g will be 0. So its norm will be 0 and you can go backward. So definiteness is not a big deal. And next is the symmetry. And I don't think the symmetry is also a big deal. Because if you take the distance between f and g, or the metric of f and g, then f minus g and e, I can write this minus by taking minus common and f minus g. So now you can take this minus 1 absolute outside and then g minus f e, and now this is 1, so you have g minus f and e, and this is nothing but distance between g and f. On the same lines you can work out the triangular inequality, which is going to be, take the distance between f and g and e. So this is going to be f minus g norm and e, and then you can take f minus h plus h minus g inside e. Now you take this as a one element and treat this as another element and apply the triangle inequality for normed spaces. So you have this. Now this is like the distance between f and h, and this is like distance between g and h, and you can say that distance inside e, or you can say that the triangle inequality is satisfied. I think this makes sense. If there is any problem, you can consequences, or I would say that implications, or I would say that applications. So for example, how about inner product space? Can I say that every inner product space is metric space? Can I say that every inner product space is also metric space? Because every inner product space is normed space, and we have recently seen that every normed space is metric space. So yes, obviously every inner product space is going to be metric space. Now the question will be, if I have got this e and this inner product, how I should define the metric on this e? The answer is very simple. You just define the distance between f and g, or the metric, as first you can write it in the form of norm and then from there you can say that f minus g inner product with f minus g. This is going to be the which you can check all the exams. It is satisfying, right? So next is what are our some of the key spaces which we have already seen. So we have seen the first space that we had seen was KD. So on KD, how do you define the metric? So KD is a normed space. We have already seen that this is a normed space, and we take one norm or two norm or infinity norm on this. So you can take any norm, and then you can, let's say for the moment I'm taking two norm, and in this case I can define the distance between 2 points is going to be, so x and y equal to x minus y, and it's 2 norm. Now my x is often as x1, x2 through xd, and my y is y1, y2 to yd. So in this way my x minus y would be x1 minus y1, comma x1, x2 minus y2 till xd minus yd. And in this case my norm of x minus y is going to be the square root. Is it a square root? Okay, to know. And then summation I equal to 1 to d of xi minus yi, and then a square. Is it fine? And this is the d between two, elements, right? On the same lines, you can write the formula for distance, formula for matrix. This is the homework for you guys. So you have to see what is going to be d for kd with one norm, and how do you define d with kd and infinity norm. And finally, then similarly we can talk about the CAB. So we have seen that continuous functions on AB had two norm. We have seen CAB with one norm, right? And we have seen CAB with infinity norm, right? So you can also define, for example, if I take this and define the metric on this, and distance between f and g is going to be f minus g, and then 2 norm, and then this is going to be the square root of integral from a to b f of x minus g of x squared dx, right? And if you're talking about, so it's a 2 norm. So if you talk about this 3 norm, then the distance between f and g will be, so f minus g, and in this 1 norm. So recall how do you define the 1 norm. So in my opinion, 1 norm is simple. So you have to take from f to a to b, f of x minus g of x, and then absolute dx. Is it fine? And then in the third, so like if you are taking infinity norm, then the distance will be f minus g in the infinity norm, and this is going to be, how do we define supremo? X from a to b of f of x minus g of x, right? So this is how you can, so every normed space can be given the structure of metric space, right? Similarly for like if you take L1 space, what was L1? What was this space? Can you recall? What about L2 and then LP? Okay, so your task is to write down the distance formula for these, all of these, because these all are normed spaces, and for the L infinity. So this is a homework as well. You must write this. I'm telling you this. Take the things very serious, right? Okay, so if I define, so we have already seen this fn of x as x power n. So where n is a natural number, then show space is this c0 to 1. Your task is to show that the distance between xn and 0 is, so I must say that limit n tends to infinity, ये compute करके दिखाया है, and but taking the 2 norm, so you have to take the 2 norm here and also try to see this, what is this distance between xn and 0. So xn is basically this fn, so I can write the here fn in place of this fn of x लिखने वाले, ये 0 फंक्शन है और यहाँ पर ये xn है तो ये भी 0 फंक्शन है, दूसरे को कंसीडर करें, राइट? कैन यू डू दिस? ट्राई टू डू दिस, जल्दी करें।